sort of like a soft picture frame. This person is shy, but feeling sexy, but also they're a bit like maybe sad. It's kind of like a mesh between like 2000s kind of radios and then also like a bit like later, I guess like 90s as well. This is his fan I really like. So I really want to put a lens on some of the more interior moments, these more like domesticated and, you know, soft, tender moments too. I think it's really important to see these images, you know, of people who look like me, like my friends and my family. I think just from my lived experience being a Black person, a gay person, a fat person, a person, you know, who identifies with so many experiences of the human experience that you kind of have to, if you're gonna survive, learn how to break the rules. I'll have an idea, and then I'm always carrying around like sketchbook. So it's like rapid dump, flow of information, try to get it down as quickly as possible. They're like living documents, so they'll always kind of change. Drawing is a structure at a foundation, so it really all stems from that. I think it doesn't ever get finished, right? It just kind of takes on a different form. Through my work, labels or titles kind of get lost and blend away. Painting for me is one way to make really, really like big work and work really fast. The sculptures for me are something that I can kind of blend all of the components together, similar like the paintings, but I'm kind of dealing more with like the issue of gravity and different ways of architecture. And it could be anything from lamps, ovens, toasters, cats, do-rags, fitted hats, mouths, buttholes, lingerie. I love the clothes in the entire, like I'll take pictures of people I see on the street, or, you know, I'll have like friends and stuff come over and like do poses and modeling. Philly's really unique because of the diverse people who live in the city, and it shows up in all of the art. Like over there, they look like they're selling maybe like sheets or something, and that's something I would definitely make a project with it. I just love searching to find, and then that's where the secrets and the interesting problems arise. Pantyhose. Also, it's like part, I don't know, like a calling or like a hunger or something that just like, I just have to make stuff. And if I don't for a while, I get all kind of running to get to the studio, running to get to paper or something. So it's also a way to heal myself and to, you know, kind of exercise the different parts of my mind, body, and soul. Rules are made to be broken because things need to change and morph and transform. And that has a lot to do with, you know, this idea of queerness. Moods, emotions, personalities. They may be a little familiar in a way, but in order, I feel like, to be alive, you have to embrace those shifts. You know, we're not synthetic or inanimate objects, and like those things don't decay, they don't change. People do.